Welcome to Spirit Shack. Yeah, this is our high-end green laser grid. So yeah, these are as good as it gets if you're wanting a laser grid for ghost hunting. So basically, it takes the battery in here. That's a very squeaky noise. Yep, so there's your battery. It takes a 18650 battery, so you do get a rechargeable one with it. And then there's also a USB charger for it, so you don't need to buy batteries for these. You can just use the rechargeable one which is supplied. That's a really terrible sound. Yeah, it comes in a nice carry case, and also the pattern thing. So basically the pen itself makes a direct single beam, and then it's this that creates the pattern, this end. So you do get 4 extra different patterns. You only really need the standard one that comes fitted on it already. So basically the on and off buttons on the top. The beauty about this one is once you've turned it on, it stays on. So the top, you press the button on the top once, it stays on, press it again, it turns off. And basically because the grid comes out at an angle, the further away you have it from whatever you're pointing it at, the wall, the bigger the area it's going to cover. So these are really handy for ghost hunters because when you shine this at a wall and ask spirits to move in front of it, it'll not fully block out the dots like a solid object would, but they partially block out and distort the dots. So if you see all the dots go out along the wall, you know, it's quite possible that that is paranormal related if you can't put it down to anything natural or man-made. So it's got a clip to put it on your belt. Nice little carry case to carry it. If you're interested in one of these, I'll leave a link in the video description, and thanks for watching.